Hey there, this video is a treasure trove of essential health tips and answers to your most pressing questions. The visuals might be random, but trust me, the information you'll hear is gold. Stick around to the end, you won't want to miss a single tip. In this video, you will learn about workout at home with dumbbells, 7-day workout plan for beginner show to burn underarm fat. How can I shape my arms at home? How to gain arm fat for a skinny girl. Best 5 minutes chest workout. Tone up fast. Are you ready to transform your chest in just 5 minutes? Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned athlete, this quick and powerful chest workout is designed to deliver results fast. In this video, we're diving into a high-intensity, no-equipment workout that targets your chest muscles, helping you build strength, tone up, and achieve that desired definition. Perfect for those short on time but looking for maximum impact. This routine is both efficient and effective. Here's what you can expect. Explosive push-ups, a dynamic exercise that engages your entire chest and arms, pushing your limits in just a few reps. Incline push-ups, elevate your feet and increase the challenge to sculpt those upper chest muscles. Chest dips, perfect for a deep stretch and strengthening the lower part of your chest. Chest flies, using body weight to mimic the classic gym move. This exercise will add that extra touch of definition. Plyometric push-ups, finish strong with explosive power moves that enhance muscle endurance and overall chest strength. Upgrade your home workouts with It's time to discuss how to burn underarm fat. Are you struggling with stubborn underarm fat that just won't seem to go away? You're not alone. Many people find that this area can be particularly challenging to target, but don't worry, I've got some effective strategies to help you tackle this issue and get the tone, sculpted look you want. Understanding underarm fat or axillary fat can be a common problem area due to a combination of factors including genetics, overall body fat percentage, and lack of targeted exercises. While spot reduction isn't entirely effective, combining targeted exercises with a comprehensive fitness and diet plan can lead to noticeable improvements. Effective exercises to burn underarm fat. 1. Cardio workouts. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, height, and cardiovascular exercises into your routine. These workouts help burn overall body fat, which can reduce fat in the underarm area over time. Activities like running, cycling, and jumping rope are great choices. 2. Strength training. Building muscle can increase your metabolism and help burn fat. Focus on exercises that target the upper body. Push-ups, great for engaging your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Dumbbell flies, helps target the chest and arms. Tricep dips, effective for toning the triceps and reducing underarm fat. Chest press, works the pectorals and triceps. 3. Resistance band exercises. Resistic bands are excellent for targeting specific areas. Try these. Band pull-aparts, strengthens the shoulders and upper back. Lateral raises, targets the deltoids and helps tone the upper arms. Nutritional tips. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in fat loss. Reduce calories. Aim for a slight calorie deficit by eating fewer calories than you burn. Increase protein intake. Protein helps build muscle and boost metabolism. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids in metabolism and helps reduce bloating. Lifestyle changes. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, particularly in the upper body. Upgrade your home workouts. Upgrade your home workouts with Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Conclusion. Burning underarm fat requires a combination of targeted exercises, proper nutrition, and lifestyle changes. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these strategies into your routine, and you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Your support matters. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's move on to the video and start working towards those toned arms. To really focus on your arms, standard push-ups. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Tricep push-ups. Place your hands closer together under your chest and keep your elbows close to your body to emphasize your triceps. 2. Dumbbell exercises. If you have dumbbells, you can perform a variety of effective exercises. Bicep curls. Stand with feet hip-width apart and curl the weights towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Tricep kickbacks. Bend at the waist. Hold the dumbbells with palms facing and extend your arms behind you to work the triceps. Dumbbell shoulder press. Press the weights overhead to engage the shoulders and arms. 3. Resistance band exercises. Resistant bands are versatile and excellent for home workouts. Bicep curls with bands. Stand on the band and curl the handles towards your shoulders. Tricep extensions with bands. Secure the band overhead and extend your arms straight, focusing on the back of the arms. Lateral raises with bands. Stand on the band and raise your arms out to the sides to target the shoulders. 4. Bodyweight exercise. Bodyweight exercises can be highly effective. Tips: use a sturdy chair or bench to support your body weight as you lower and raise yourself, targeting the triceps. Plank to push up. Start in a plank position and transition to a push-up, working the entire arm and core. Tips for success: 1. Consistent. Stick to your workout routine consistently. Aim to exercise your arms 2 to 3 times a week, allowing time for recovery between sessions. 2. Progressive overload. Increase the intensity of your workouts by adding more reps, sets, or resistance. This will help you continue making progress and avoid plateaus. 3. Proper nutrition. Support your workouts with a balanced diet, rich in protein to aid muscle recovery and growth. Hydration is also key to overall fitness. Upgrade your home workouts. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Conclusion: shaping your arms at home is achievable with a variety of exercises and a consistent routine. Incorporate these effective arm workouts into your home fitness plan. Stay dedicated and you'll see the results you're aiming for. It's time to discuss how to gain arm fat for a skinny girl struggling to build arm size and gain weight. You're not alone, and it's possible to achieve your goals with the right strategies. If you're looking to add some healthy bulk to your arms, here's a guide to help you on your journey. Understanding arm fat. Gaining arm fat, especially for those with a naturally slim frame, requires a combination of targeted exercise, proper nutrition, and lifestyle. Let's break down the key steps to help you effectively build arm size and overall body mass. 1. Strength training. To gain muscle mass and subsequently some fat in your arms, focus on strength training exercises that target the upper body. Here are a few effective moves. Bicep curls. Use dumbbells or resistance bands. Perform 3-4 sets of 8-12 reps to stimulate growth in your biceps. Tricep dips. Use a sturdy chair or bench. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps to build the back of your arms. Shoulder press. Whether using dumbbells or a barbell, shoulder presses help in building the shoulders and arms. Perform 3 sets of 8-12 reps. 2. Nutrition. For muscle growth. To build muscle and gain arm fat, you need to ensure you're eating enough calories and consuming the right nutrients. Increase caloric intake. Eat more than you burn. Focus on calorie-dense foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and whole grains. Protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Incorporate chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and legumes into your diet. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish to support overall weight gain and health. 3. Consistent meal. To eating regularly and consistently helps in maintaining a calorie surplus, which is crucial for gaining weight. Frequent meals. Aim for 5-6 smaller meals throughout the day instead of just 3 large ones. Post-workout nutrition. Consume a protein-rich snack or meal after your workouts to support muscle recovery and growth. 4. Hydration and rest. Proper hydration and adequate rest are crucial for muscle growth and overall well-being. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support muscle function and overall health. Rest and recovery. Ensure you get enough sleep and allow your muscles to recover between workouts. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Conclusion: gaining arm fat for a skinny girl is achievable with the right approach. Focus on strength training, consume a calorie-rich diet with plenty of protein, and stay consistent with your meal timings and rest. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll see positive changes in your arm size and overall body composition. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel like this one. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's move on to the video and start working.